Greetings folks, in this video of 1 minute we will show you the available model of our 2.0. The very popular model is the 34-inch that can fit through the standard American doorway, and that is one of the most popular models, followed by the 36-inch model, which is right here. It offers the same features except it's slightly larger. The standard features would be air conditioner. You would be able to control your pressure and oxygen flow, both from externally and internally, and we have the standard communication feature. Next, we have the multi-place chamber. If you have the doorway, double doorway, or a larger room, this is the multi-place chamber that can accommodate multiple people. The interior is quite luxurious, custom configurable. Right now we have a recliner that can be replaced with 2 standard seats, as well as a jump seat right here. It comes with TV, air conditioner, and other enhanced interior comfort and features. Last, we have the 40-inch, and that is a very comfortable model. Right behind me is the 40-inch. If you can fit a 40-inch chamber through your wide door, this is the model. Once again, microprocessor control, anything that you can do from outside, you should be able to do the same thing through its miniature control panel, and that is located inside. Do take a look at the interior, quite luxurious, and that is available and they are in stock. Any further questions about these 2.0 models, do reach out to us and we are here to assist you. Thank you.